Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Ford Ranger wing mirror, easy method. Start by parking safely, disconnecting the negative battery terminal, and opening the door to access the inner trim. Carefully remove trim clips with a plastic tool to avoid damage. Keep screws organized and note any electrical connectors. If the mirror has a motor, gently unplug the connector before unbolting the mount. Proceed slowly and check for hidden fasteners to avoid scratches or broken clips. Remove screws from the handle and armrest area, then slide the window switch panel out to access hidden fasteners. Use a plastic trim tool to release clips along the panel edge, working top to bottom to prevent breaks. Support the panel as you pull it away to avoid straining the wiring harness. Disconnect any connectors by pressing the tab, then move the panel clear so you can reach the mirror mounting bolts easily. With the interior trim removed, reach behind the triangular cover to find the mirror nuts and bolts. Support the mirror with one hand while you loosen the fasteners with a 10 mm socket to prevent it from falling. Once the last bolt is free, tilt the mirror slightly to clear the door edge and unplug the electrical connector if present. Lift the mirror away gently and inspect the mounting area for corrosion or damaged clips before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.